Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious garlic rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious garlic rice, these are my few ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, 3 garlic cloves, 2 cups of rice, vegetable oil, and hot water. This is everything you need to enjoy a very delicious garlicky rice that I know you guys are going to love. So let's get started. Let me tell you, very few ingredients, but this garlic rice comes out amazing and delicious. And if you love garlic like I do, you're going to fall in love with this garlic rice. Here I have my 3 garlic cloves. I am going to dice them very small so that they really release all that amazing and delicious flavor. Let me tell you, when you make this rice, you're going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. The key here is to make sure that the garlic is diced very small so that when you start cooking it, it releases all those amazing and delicious flavors. Of course, I don't want to leave anything behind because garlic is gold here at home. We all love this amazing white rice with the amazing flavor of the garlic. Well, this is done completely. Now, let me show you. I got everything ready. Let's go to the stove and let's start making this amazing and delicious garlic rice. I have the almost 2 tablespoons of diced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 cups of rice, and I'm using jasmine rice. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The first thing I'm going to add is the garlic. I want to really infuse the vegetable oil with the garlic. You really want the garlic to start bubbling, to start releasing the flavor and the aroma. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, immediately add your rice so your garlic doesn't burn. This is very important. You don't want a burnt garlic. You really want the flavor to really penetrate the little granules of the rice. So here it's bubbling all over. I'm adding the 2 cups of the rice. Remember, the key so that your rice comes out delicious is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of hot water. I'm using 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to be using 4 cups of boiling water. You want to use boiling water because you want the boiling water not to reduce the heat of the pan. And here you could see all those little specks of the garlic throughout the rice. I wanted to show you this so that you see how the rice is really going to get infused with the garlic. So here I am ready to just mix one more time and then add the very hot boiling water. My home smells amazing. I added the 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon so that really coats the granules of the rice. And now I'm ready to start adding the hot water. This is the key, hot water. Remember, 4 cups of hot water, and then reduce the heat to very low heat. You want to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Reduce the heat very small and then cover it. Leave it there for about 10-15 minutes. And when you come back, you'll see that the water has really, the rice has really absorbed the liquid and there's no liquid at all. It takes time, yes, but let me tell you, it's going to come out really fluffy. You could see those little holes where it's evaporating and there's no longer any liquid on the bottom. And it's not sticking at all. This is exactly what you want to do. Pull everything to the center and then cover it. And then you're ready to enjoy a delicious and very special rice. Here I have one garlic that I sliced and I'm going to get them nice and golden brown. This is going to be the topping for the presentation plate for this delicious garlic rice. Look at this. The granules really pull apart. They're nice and fluffy. The aroma has invaded my kitchen. My home smells amazing. And of course, this is going to be the plate for the presentation. So I'm going to add enough because I really want a little dome on my plate so that you see how beautiful it's going to come out. Once it's ready, let's plate it. Let's see how this is going to come out. If you got to this part of the video, you love garlic like I do, you're going to love this rice. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, the topping is going to be little slices of already nice and roasted, golden brown slices of garlic. Look how beautiful this looks. I'll see you in just a little bit. Beautiful family, come with me and make this amazing garlic rice. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. My friends, you loved this amazing recipe of garlic rice. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying with my beautiful family this amazing and delicious garlic rice. See you soon. Bye-bye.